Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's another fabulous day here today because we are making Metemgee with stuffed duff. Guys, the link to my stuffed duff recipe will also be in the description box. You have to try that one. Please try that one, okay? This is an amazing Guyanese classic that everyone loves. If you like chicken and dumpling, you're definitely in for a treat with this Metemgee, or Metem as it's known. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, like, share, and a comment on this video. The duff is light and fluffy and it's tough with the salt. Listen, just try it, okay? Let's jump right into this video. So these are our ingredients before it is peeled. And these are the rest of our ingredients, and they will also be in the description box. Alright, they have some ripe plantains, some cassava or yuca, sweet potatoes, and I have some corn, onion, celery, tomato, some basil, green onions, garlic, fine thyme, and pepper. So I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding my sliced onions, and I'm using both red and sweet onions. I absolutely love onions, guys. Now I go in with my diced celery. Now we will cook this for about 3 minutes. I'm adding the basil, the parsley, and cilantro. And I'm adding the garlic, give that a good stir, and some habanero peppers. So here I'm adding my peeled and washed yuca and sweet potatoes. I will not be adding the turned plantains right now. This will actually go into almost to the end. Now I'm adding some diced tomatoes and my chicken bouillon and some black pepper. I just added also some fine thyme, and I'm going to give this a good stir. Make sure everything is coated well. So we're going to fry this for an additional minute or so. I just added my corn, and I'm pouring in some fresh grated coconut milk. Now we can also use the canned milk if you do not have the fresh coconut. That is just fine. Alright, so this is our duff, our dumplings that we will be putting in the pot. Guys, please check this recipe out, the stuffed duff. You will definitely love this one, I promise you. So we will place the duff into this metem right here. We will cover. And here also, guys, before you do that, you can taste, make sure your seasoning is just right for you. I will leave the amount I use in this recipe. Alright, so we will cover. Do not peek, guys. When you cover this duff, let it cook for about 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like. Nice and spongy. It soaks up all that amazing coconut creamy delicious flavor. Alright, so I did remove mine because I wanted to show you guys how I made that, okay? So here I'll be plating. So I did do my saltfish. Now I put my saltfish to the bottom and put my gravy, and I do not like a dry Metemgee, okay? So this is the way I do my Metemgee, guys, and I know that you will absolutely love this one. Please go ahead and give it a try. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. If you're already here, thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Enjoy.